Hello guys, welcome back to channel. Introduction: the Aprilia Tuono V4 is part of Aprilia's renowned V4 series and is essentially a stripped-down version of the RSV for superbikes. Designed for riders seeking the thrill of a sport bike but with the comfort and versatility of a naked bike, the Tuono V4 is recognized for its aggressive styling, powerful engine, and advanced electronics, making it a standout in the hypernaked segment. Exterior design: the Aprilia Tuono V4 features a muscular and aggressive design characterized by sharp lines, aerodynamic fairings, and a distinctive front end with LED headlights. The bike's exposed frame and minimal body work emphasize its performance-oriented nature, while the ergonomics offer a more upright riding position for improved comfort on longer rides. Engine performance: at the heart of the Tuono V4 is a 1077cc V4 engine that delivers around 175 horsepower and 121 Nm of torque. Providing a thrilling and responsive ride, the engine is paired with a quick shifter for seamless gear changes, and the exhaust note is distinctively aggressive, adding to the bike's charismatic appeal. Electronics and features: the Tuono V4 is equipped with a suite of advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS. The bike also features an electronic suspension system in some versions that adjusts to the riding conditions, providing optimal handling and comfort. Market position: the Aprilia Tuono V4 is positioned as a top-tier hypernaked motorcycle, competing with bikes like the Ducati Street Fighter V4 and the KTM 1290 Super Ducar. It appeals to riders who demand superbike performance in a more versatile and street-friendly package. Its combination of raw power, sophisticated electronics, and Italian design make it a highly desirable option in its segment. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates and subscribe my YouTube channel. Like, comment, and share.